Hello, Bay East. It is that time of year again when we recognize Bay East members who have excelled in their profession. Now is the time to show off what you've been doing in your industry and community by applying or nominating someone for one of the awards Bay East offers. Awards include Rookie of the Year. The Rookie of the Year is given to a newly licensed full-time realtor who became a Bay East member within the previous 24 months. Qualifications are active member in good standing, realtor spirit, participation in civic or service clubs, professional business conduct and service to clients, an active member serving on a committee, marketing group, or other association project. Platinum Affiliate of the Year. Platinum Affiliate of the Year is a member of the association who demonstrates the following: civic activity, local, state, national association activity, high professional standards and cooperation with other members, and good standing at the association. Good Neighbor of the Year. Good Neighbor of the Year is an award that was established to recognize the ongoing efforts of our realtor members who have made exceptional contributions to improve the quality of life in their local community. And lastly, Realtor of the Year. Realtor of the Year is given to a realtor who promotes positive real estate principles among brokers, agents, and the general public. Qualifications are full-time agent or broker, active member in good standing, high principles of integrity, participation in civic organizations, business accomplishments, and local, state, and national association activity. Nominations are open now through October 14th. Visit bayeast.org/award-criteria for applications and more information on each award.